Mix honey with onion to clean your lungs and stop coughing. Pharmacists don't want me to tell you the recipe, so remember to save it so it doesn't disappear. To begin, cut a half-white onion into small pieces and put it into a small airtight container. Onions are surprisingly effective for chest congestion. It is a great remedy that will improve circulation to the lungs and reduce congestion. Now add honey. Honey reduces inflammation in the bronchial tubes and helps break up mucus that is making it hard for you to breathe. It also triggers your salivary glands to produce more saliva. This may lubricate your airways, easing your cough. Take 1 tablespoon every night before bed, and you'll be cough-free in less than 3 days. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and healthy always. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.